Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to reverse a clip in CapCut. First, let's open our app, and as you can see, I already have a project opened. Now drag your clip on where you want your reverse to start, and then click on Split, and then drag on where you want your reverse to end, and then click Split. Now select your clip and then scroll all the way to the back and locate reverse. If you tap on that, your clip will be reversed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.